Hi guys, welcome back. And if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this roast a chicken. Now, this recipe, when I say juicy, when I say scrumptious, then this recipe is for you. Plus, it's so easy to prepare. And as always, I'm going to ask you please to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. So let's get right to it. So starting off with our seasoning blend, we're going to need salt, black pepper, smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, and we're just going to go ahead and give that a good mix. Once we're done, we're going to set that aside. And we're also going to be using dry thyme and basil. Now, this chicken is whole, fresh, clean, already prepared. So we're just pat drying it to remove excess moisture. And it's 4.5 pounds. Now we're going to use some fresh parsley, and you're going to use 3/4 stick of unsalted butter. And we're just going to add about 1 teaspoon of that seasoning blend. And we are going to mix that in all together. You want to gently separate the skin from the chicken, and we are going to brush on some olive oil all over the surface of the chicken, and this will just add to the nice color at the end when we put that into the oven. So next, we are going to add that butter mixture that we did. Ensure to spread it out as much as you can. Put it in like the creases that you can, the thigh area, the breast area. That's going to add to the flavorness, the juiciness of the chicken. Next, we're going to sprinkle on that seasoning blend all over the chicken. Ensure that your chicken is coated nicely with that seasoning blend. Lift up the legs, under the wings, turn it over, and do the same thing. You're also going to season inside of the cavity of the chicken as well. So you see me there, I'm just getting ensure that the wing tips, under the wing, every single area of the chicken is coated. Next, we are going to stuff the cavity, and you can use whatever aromatics that you like. I'm using onion and lemon wedges. You can also put thyme if you want. And then we're just gonna tie the legs together, and we are just gonna sprinkle on that thyme and basil all over the chicken. We're gonna set that on a pan, and we're gonna bake at 350, and it's 20 minutes per pound. Okay. Next, we're gonna work on our veggies, and this is the vegetables that I'm using. I'm gonna be roasting these. I do not put these along with the chicken only because I don't want it to get soggy. But that's entirely up to you. You can do it that way if you want, but this is how I prepare the vegetables. I just coat them with some olive oil, salt, and pepper to taste, and then I'm just going to give that a good mix, and I'm going to pop this into the oven for about 30 to 35 minutes. And you want to ensure that you cut your vegetables in chunk size pieces. Now, every 30 minutes, you're going to baste with the liquid that comes from the chicken. And this is what it looks like about after an hour. As you can see, the color on this is just gorgeous. And I can tell that it is juicy and flavorful. And you can also use the drippings to make a nice gravy. Okay. So at the end, this is how everything looks. It came together perfectly. It was no hassle. The flavors, the aroma, look at the color. So let's try it out. Let's see. And as you can see, it's easy. I can just detach the leg just like that. The color, it's well done. The flavor, this is just perfect to go with the veggies on the side or anything you want to pair it with. You have to try this recipe. Give it a try and let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this video. Please, please, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay? And as always, thank you guys so much for your support. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye bye.